people. I feel like we need to.
Thank you. Thank you for your sub. Thank you.
Wanna know, Nick, I get where.
I have to
I don't
sneeze.
mind it because I'm doing it.
Move that guy.
This way.
Why? You're like, it's so flat. Here.
I know. Here, give it a lick. No. Peppermint slice. Ready?
Luckily for
What's up, Sneezy?
Can you fuck off? Don't take a Zyrtec, you disgusting bug.
What are you doing?
Get out.
I mean the basketball. Like I'm saying is, what would you guys? Oh! Had the.